Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I got the new buck converter installed on the Nomad. So one thing I did notice was I had to, there's fixed voltages on the back for output wise, and I'm not paying attention here. And what happened was, even though I selected the 5 volts, it was only outputting like 3.8 or something like that. So what I ended up doing was switching to the adjustable and switching to the adjustable switching to the adjustable power supply line and adjusted. So actually I have it running a little bit higher than 5 volts right now, as you can see that on the meter. And I want to try a little Sonic. The colors are nice and bright, which is a good sign. And there's no weird bleed through on the level screen. I don't think you can pause the level screen. I'll show you. This part's okay, but what you would see when there was an issue was see that yellow into the red? The yellow would bleed into the red. I'm really happy with my composite HDMI converter. It's actually quite fast. So even a game like this one, come on, get your bounce jumper. Yeah, whatever. There we go. So even on a fast game like Sonic, the HDMI converter is actually really decent. You probably see some weird stuff in the capture just because I record at 24 frames just to keep the CPU load down on my little workshop PC. So I got the voltmeter hooked up, so if I do encounter an issue, I'll see if it's like voltage related or what. So far, I really haven't seen much. The built-in screen's actually the new RGB screen's quite sharp. It's sharper than this composite out. Okay. Oh, maybe I should free the animals. Okay. There we go. Run free, little animals. Okay, that's a good sign. Yeah, so the next screen, pay close attention. You'll see this area with the yellow into the red. You would see a real bad oh, little platforms. Oh, Sonic is not good for platforms. So. Mario, I am not. Oh, jeez. You got some slippery shoes, buddy. Let's go this way. Looks like the screen darkened there. That's so weird. I don't know if it's an artifact of this level or what. That's so weird. Voltage is still holding steady. Oh, I hate these mine things. And it died. I see it there. The screen's messed up again. Oh, I don't know what else to do. Voltage is steady. What the heck is it, man? What is it? What could it be? I'm at a loss. I swapped out the voltage regulator. I recapped parts. Recapped parts. What is it? Seriously, what is it? Nothing's even. What's getting warm over here? What is it that's changing? That guy's fine. Well, I am slightly at a loss. All I can think of is. Oh, I move this out of the way. Only other thing I can think of is. This is the main. Oh, get my camera down here. This guy here is the main cap. Main filter cap, and there's another cap here. I might swap those out one more time, see what happens. I just swapped this one again already, so kind of frustrated. I don't know what it could be at this point. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. It doesn't happen right away anymore. Before it was happening pretty early on. Running out of things to fix. Okay, well, I'm gonna sign off for now, and I'm trying to figure out what in the world is going on here, because I'm kind of at a loss of what else I can possibly fix on this thing. Now, try swapping those two caps out one more time. I don't want to trash those traces, but I'll go in and I'll swap those out too, see what that happens. I'm kind of run out of voltage related parts of the board. If it's any deeper than that, there's not much more I can do. Okay, well, that's enough for now. I'm gonna swap those two caps out and give it another shot, and hopefully I'll see something different. But I'm kind of getting frustrated here. I don't know what else I can fix. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching.